Yeah, today topic is polynomial. So, in polynomial topic, relation between zeros of the polynomial and coefficients. So, first let one example x square minus 2x minus 8. This is one of the quadratic polynomial. It has how many zeros? Two zeros. Let the two zeros alpha comma beta. Now I am going to check relation between sum of the zeros and product of the zeros and the relation between coefficients of quadratic equation. So first, what is the standard form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, c is equals to minus 8. So ABC values. Okay. First, find out the roots of this quadratic polynomial. First, x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. So middle term split. First multiply the first and last term. 8 into x minus 8 into x square minus 8x square. So what are the multiples of factors of 8? 1 into 8 and 2 4. Yes, use this 2 and 4, split this middle term. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. So what is the common in these two? X is the common. Next x minus 4 left here. Same 2 is the common. X minus 4 is equal to x minus 4 common. X minus 4 and from this 2 x plus 2. So x minus 4 is equals to 0, comma x plus 2 is equals to 0. So from this x minus 4, x is equals to plus 4. This x plus 2 is equal to 0, value x is equal to minus 2. So these two x values are alpha comma beta values. So one alpha value 4 and beta value minus 2. So alpha comma beta values came. Now, what is the relation between these zeros and coefficients of x square and x and constant? Now, the product of the zeros alpha plus beta is equals to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. It means minus b by a. Minus b by a. So what is the minus b here? Already minus is there. So minus b value minus 2. So minus 2 by a value 1. So minus into minus plus 2 by 1 is equals to 2. Now check at the same time alpha plus beta. What is the alpha value? 4 and beta value minus 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. So 2 is equals to 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, verified. Now alpha into b, alpha into beta. Alpha into beta value constant y, coefficient of x square. Same c by a, c by a. What is the c value here? C value minus 8 by 1 is equals to minus 8. Now alpha into beta means 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 value also minus 8. So minus 8 is equals to minus 8. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a, verified. So the relation between sum of the zeros is equals to minus b by a. Product of the zeros is equals to c by a. So this is the relation between coefficients and zeros. Coefficients of this x square term, x term and constant, and product of the zeros, sum of the zeros. Yeah, one more example. in this topic. Now only we verified that alpha plus beta value is equals to minus b by a, alpha into beta is equals to c by a. So same, compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a value 4, b value minus 4, c value 1. Same, middle term split theorem, middle term split method. My 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. So multiply the first and last term. 4s square into 1 is equal to 4s square. Multiples, factors of this 4s square, 1 4 the 2 2 the. So split the middle term, minus 2s plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the common in this 2? 2s is the common. So next to 2s minus 1. From this 2 minus 1 is common. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So here 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1. Here 2s is equals to 1. S is equals to 1 by 2. Same here also. 2s is equals to 1. S is equals to 1 by 2. Now alpha and beta values came. Alpha is equals to 1 by 2. At the same time beta is equals to also 1 by 2. Now sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So at the same time both sides I am doing. Alpha value 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to minus b by a. Minus b by value minus of minus 4 by a value 4. So RHS side 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 is the common denominator, 1 plus 1 is equal to this side 4 by 4. So 2 by 2 value 1 is equal to 4 by 2, 4 value also 1. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a verified. Now next alpha into beta, verification of alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta, alpha value 1 by 2 into beta value also 1 by 2 and c by a value, c value 1 and a value 4. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So here also alpha into beta is equal to c by a verified. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a verified. Next problem is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So is it in the form of standard form of a quadratic equation? No. So convert it into standard form of the quadratic equation. First x square coefficient, next x coefficient minus 3. Now compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. Now, so middle term split 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. First multiply the first and last term, 6x square into minus 3. So minus 18x square. And factors of this 18 factors, 1 18s are, 2 9s are and 3 6s are. Now which two factors helpful to split this middle term? 6x square minus 9x plus 2x. Minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 7. And what is the common in this 2? 3x. After taking 3x common, what is the left? Here 2x is the left term and here 3. From this 2 also already 2x minus 3 is there, so just take 1 is the common, remaining there is no other common terms. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 is common and here remaining 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 3, 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. Here 3x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Now verification. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So what is the alpha value? Alpha value 3 by 2 and beta value minus 1 by 3 is equals to minus of b value minus of minus 7 by a value 6. A value 6. Now LCM is 6. 3 3 are 9 minus 2 1s are 2 is equals to minus into minus 7 plus 7 by 6. Here 7 by 6 is equals to 7 by 6. Yes. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Verified. Now alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a. C by a. So c value minus 3 by a value 6. Alpha into beta minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 is equals to minus 3 by 6. So 3 cancel, minus 1 by 2 is equals to, here also 3 1s are 3 2s are minus 1 by 2. So alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Verify. So in these three problems, alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value 3 times verified. Yeah. Still in this concept, if you have any doubts, means mention them in the comment box. So I will try to explain the doubts also. Okay, thank you.